Good morning, guys. I'm gonna go to the doctor for this. It feels a lot better. It doesn't feel, so I wanna get it checked out. Just for safety precautions that have it on record. Bye-bye. But she did sleep a bit. Very therapeutic. Definitely want a kitty. I gotta go, guys. Oreo.
Kitty, go, kitty, kitty, go, kitty, kitty. Wait, where's her tree getting made here? Not the mouse one.
Yes, my rooms are
They're
hard.
like-
Come on, kitty. Oreo. Yes, my room's
So my cats with black and white
Ew.
spots.
dirty. You want another kiddo? Good for you, Mama.
What?
She wanted a kitty litter. She wanted a kiddo.
Kitty little what?
She wanted it from my I hate this place. I really, really do. Pray to God they just strep throat. No, I can't afford that right now. I have a lot of things to do. Hi. Alrighty, guys. I am tired. It is 12:43, 42 right now. They just basically gave me some Advil. 500 milligrams of Advil, technically. Whatever. Basically generic brand of Advil. I have Advil over there, y'all. But okay. Nasal spray, which I had to pay $1 for because I have Humana and Humana sucks in my opinion. For my insurance provider or something. And Sudafed, which is basically my sinuses are acting up, and I told him my sinuses, I get really bad seasonal allergies. My sinuses act up, and basically he gave me allergy medication that was $12, and I was like, hell no. I don't mind paying $1 for, because, I had to co-pay my Adderall, like $2 and $2 and like 12 cents, I would say. But yeah, so yeah, this is just a generic brand of Sudafed. Will work well. I'm tired. I've been up since like 7 something in the morning. Yeah. I'm tired, but I am sleeping well. I have been sleeping a lot better. Just turn my mind off and sleep because I need some sleep. I need some rest. For this right here is basically for this. Basically, it's just tension. It's not necessarily carpal tunnel or tendonitis. The guy didn't even say, do you want to be checked? Nothing. I'm just annoyed. He was a nurse practitioner, and I'm like, I told him, can you check my throat? If I didn't tell him that, I could still sing, but right now I'm gonna relax. I'm going to relax, play with the kitty, look over my music. I'm tired, y'all. I'm really, really, really tired. I'll talk to you guys a little bit. It's okay, Mom. It's okay.
The kitty, I hate him.
Don't hate him.
But the kitty keeps running around, biting me, scratching me. It's been scratching me all day, all damn day. Here, show the blog. It took a poop.
No.
Did it?
Careful, babe. Careful.
Here.
Come here.
Go with auntie. Go with your auntie.
Oh,
No, she smells a lot.
You see?
It jumps a lot.
Yeah, I know, baby. I know.
Here, it smells a lot.
Come here.
It smells.
Ah!
Here, grab him then. You're gonna have to hold
Hey, no
him.
pon el gato en la cama.
Okay. Put him down.
No.
Okay. Put him down.
¿Por qué? No, nothing it fleas me, mamá. Wash them.
Tiene fis, tiene de todo. Ese gato
No.
tú no lo puedes andar tocando porque eres alérgico a eso, ¿ok?
Careful, baby.
Te va a picar más el cuerpo todavía de lo que te pica, ¿oíste? You can touch this gato.
Or cats.
See? So she's a biter. What else is new? Ah, stop biting me. Enough. Do not get her a chew toy. Ah. Stop. Stop.
What's he doing?
She's biting me.
Hey, Kitty. Kitty, stop doing that.
We need a chew toy. We do need a chew toy for this
I
kitty.
could get him one.
Give him one, please, because my hand is not a chew toy. So I'm looking to adopt a kitty cat. Good luck with that because my parents do not like cats. I want a house animal, like inside house. It's between a kitty or a puppy, like a small puppy that doesn't grow that much. We'll see. We will see. Cross fingers. Anyone? Yeah. So I'm just looking at yeah. But my arm is not a chew toy. Do you have a chew toy for her?
It doesn't want a chew toy.
Well, it's not gonna bite me.
Never bite it.
Come here, Mama.
It doesn't hurt.
It's okay. It's okay.
Look, give her your,
It's okay.
give her your finger. It won't hurt. Does it hurt?
Somewhat. Ow. 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 These are piano hands. I'm getting kitty attacked. It's okay. I don't think she likes the camera that much. Do you like the camera? Do you like the camera? Let her
It's biting your sheet.
let her buy my sheet, Alice.
That's your and your pants.
It doesn't matter. These are sweats. They're not regular. They're not regular. I need a kitty companion.
And her tail.
It's fine. Let her be. Let her be. Let her be. It feels like she's acting like a dog. But I'm not a cat person, so I really don't know.
You're not a cat person?
Well, I'm a cat person, yes, but I never had a cat before. So,
You had dogs before. Dogs are just like cats.
these are a lot more personable and
creative.
so I'm looking for a kitty to get. Okay. Okay.
This one we're not keeping it, but my cousin said that her mom's mom is giving away a full black cat that has green eyes and it has white legs that look like boots.
I'm looking that up right now. Bye, kitty. Bye, kitty. You want a kitty cat?
Yeah, that's good.
That kitty cat?
Yeah.
That kitty cat?
We're planning to adopt one because it's not.
Well, we're planning to possibly adopt a kitty cat or a small puppy. Which one do you guys like more? I like cats because I never had a cat.
I like those teacup dogs.
Me too. I love those teacup dogs. But
My two father had a pup. My Nina had a puppy too.
you want a kitty? What color?
Purple. That.
black and white.
Bite for me.
No,
Guys, I want this cat. Show 'em.
so we are looking at like how adorable is she? She's so damn adorable. I want one. We gotta convince Grandma and Grandpa because they don't like cats.
I'm gonna clean some already.
No. We'll talk about this when Mama comes. Okay, she's gonna come in a little bit. It's barely full. 1:48, 45.
Oh,
So
damn.
she'll
Wait,
come in an
It
hour.
was
and a half.
already 9 though.
It's not already 9.
Yeah, it was already 9 in the morning.
Okay.
For me.
Don't bite Savannah. Don't bite my niece.
I'm finding more cats.
See. Oh, yeah.
On, find the cat I'm putting.
Hold on. I'm looking at cats right now. I want you.
Here, I put find the cat on.
So we're still looking. Alrighty, guys. I will talk to you
Hi,
guys
guys.
tomorrow. Little one over here is.
Guys, I could make my cat do a high five to me. Dude, hey. Oreo, give me a high five. 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 See, guys, he gave me a high five.
Okay.
Give me a high five.
These
Oreo.
are piano hands, Oreo. So I already signed a petition. Not
This
petition,
cat is not our cat. It's my cousin's.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing related to this girl.
We might get 2 cats because
Their
this
name
website
is
that
gonna
we were.
be Daisy and.
We might get something smaller. We don't know. We don't know if we're gonna get them because there's like 2-for-1 deal of $100 for 2 cats. But they already neutered. They already have their shots, which is good. Yeah.
If
So
they
we
don't
will
have their
see.
shots, what will happen?
We will see. We have to go buy shot for Kobe. For Kobe, me and Carmen spent over close to 220 for his shots, which is not bad because do not scratch me.
Who's it?
Do you see this overwhelming? Ow. These are piano hands. These are piano hands.
Here, look. Show them the cat.
Alrighty, guys. I will talk
Like,
to you guys
where
tomorrow.
Oh,
May the
look,
Lord bless you today,
look.
tomorrow, and always. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Oh, my eye. My eye.
Welcome.
I think one of those bugs got in my eye.
welcome.
Please.
Alrighty, guys.
Did
May the
flea
Lord
get
bless
in
you
my
today.
eye?
Tomorrow, and always. No, and she's biting my shirt.
A flea. A flea.
There's no fleas. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Good morning, baby. Where are you? I'm eating waffles. We're all eating waffles, technically. I'm gonna get this boy after I'm done eating. I gotta eat cookies.
I've been up since 5 a.m.
Cookies. Watching.
Where were we right here? 3-hour waits.
Is it?
And 3-hour waits. Where were we right there?
We were finding out about Savannah. 3-hour wait, yeah. We were finding out about you, little girl. Yeah, you took my spot in the car.
Oh, that daddy me?
Yeah.
Oh, that daddy.
Mm-hmm.
And Nini. That Nini.
Yeah.
The mommy.
We were gonna find out what you were, a boy or a girl, and you were a girl. You were mommy's stomach.
Yeah,
We were gonna
you're
find
mom.
out. We were gonna find out what we were well, if you were a girl or a boy, and you were a girl. Why are you crying, Mama? We were gonna find out you were gonna be with
You wanna
us.
watch another? Say me another one, look.
Why are you crying, honey? We were finding out if you were coming with us. Why are you crying? Bad reaction.
Say me, look, you.
Look, yeah, there's videos of you as a baby, Mama. Look.
That's you, right? That's her, right?
You don't like being left out? So I decided to do my video. I just said my talk about my life on camera. There's videos of her in it, baby.
I know.
Just check 2000 and like last year, you know, like baby videos of her. Yeah, it's okay, Mommy. It's okay. There's videos of you as a kid, honey. You were 5 when I started blogging. Were you 5 when I started blogging? I think you were 5. Right?
I'm dead. I'm dead inside.
Why are you dead inside?
I'm bored.
Okay.
How do you know those bulldogs are rare?
Hmm?
The ones that are like green, brown, and green?
Being the responsible adult that I'm trying to be, reading this, so much fun and interesting. It's like common sense, but people don't ever follow this. I have no idea why. There's some stupid drivers, excuse me for my French, in LA.
What are we looking at for accidental?
Sure.
One, at least. And that's too good from if you ask me, am I right, Don? Don't even get me started. Anyway, what brings you here? We need another friend. Excuse me. So sorry to interrupt. You forgot your... Here you go. Okay, well, enjoy your alleyway. Alright, here's the plan.
Alrighty guys, I finally got a liquid lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick that I got to treat myself because I was in a bad mood. I wanted to treat myself, so I'm excited. I always hear a lot of good things about this company. We will see how Huda Beauty works. I'm really excited. And props to Sephora because I never got anything from Sephora.com before. It was really impactful. Obviously, this is I'm not going to show you this because it has my information on it. But even it says fragile. So props to Sephora. And if you guys are wondering, I am fixing and washing my sheets because of the kitty cat. She's officially gone. I'm looking for a hyperallergenic cat. I could be allergic potentially because my sinuses were acting up as well. So I'm excited. Yay! Ready. So this is what Trendsetter looks like on my lips. And don't get me wrong, I suck at applying lipsticks. I have nothing on my lips. Nothing there. I didn't even put on liquid. I didn't even put on balm, which is a big no-no in the beauty community. But this looks a lot lighter in the tube than it looks on actually applying it, which is a thing that majority of these liquid lipsticks, well, this one in particular, they say. So dries really quickly. I like it. We'll see. We'll see. Obviously, it's just see what it feels like on my lips, but it's not a real test because obviously I'm not wearing any makeup. I don't even have lip balm on over it or under it, I should say. But it is 2:15. We'll see how it will. Yeah, we'll see. Alrighty guys, I'm going to end it here for now. I gotta get ready for church, aka Auntie Mommy duty, because Liam's coming and Liam is running crazy all over the place. That's my baby right there. That's my music prodigy right there. And I mean that. When I say music prodigy, I mean that. That kid's going to be a musical genius. Trust me. It took me 4 years. He's 4. He plays the piano. I can't even bang the piano and sound musically. I'm still learning. Oh, by the way, cats. Still wanting to find a cat. Well, kitty. My mom does not like cats. She just screamed at me and said, are you kidding me? You can't even click your room clean, which technically right now is semi-clean. It's somewhat clean. Yeah. Still, we'll see. Cross fingers because I really want a cat. I really do. They're very therapeutic. They're very soft. Even though I don't know if I'm allergic to cats necessarily. I know Mammer and Zed are. But yeah, highlight of the day. By the way, Hotel Beauty liquid lipstick. We will see if obviously it's barely 6:23 right now. I only had it for 5 hours, and we will see. I'm debating we should do a beauty video on this because I haven't done a beauty video in forever. It's a lot easier for me doing these types of videos than actually, hey guys, I like this product. I'll tell you if it's worth $21 or not. Which, it's been 5 hours. Very comfortable. Very comfortable. I might do a video tomorrow, but tomorrow usually the kids are not here. I'm home by myself, or I might go to work with my parents. Hopefully not work with my parents. Because I'm gonna do laundry and do some housework around the house. But housework is just sweeping and mopping, things like that. So I'm gonna go get ready. Basically. But definitely a highlight because I've been wanting to try this liquid lipstick for a while now. We'll see if it's good or not. Plus tax and everything is like $28 to come to my house. $21 or $22 plus tax if you get it in your local store. So we will see if it's good. Alright guys, I will talk to you tomorrow. May the Lord bless you today, tomorrow, and always. And I'll be seeing you. Bye guys.